With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is show that 1 plus cos phi plus of iota sin phi, right, divided by 1 plus cos phi minus of iota sin phi having the power of what whole n equals to cos n phi plus I sin phi we have to prove. Okay, so first of all, this is what my solution part here, right? So we know that we have some properties before moving to this question. What is the formula for cos of 2 theta? So cos of 2 theta is basically equals to what in terms of cos 2 cos square theta minus of 1. Okay, so in that case I can say what is the value for 1 plus cos theta? Or we can say 1 plus cos 2 theta first. So this is basically 2 cos square theta. Now if I do the half angle here, cos 2 theta will become what cos theta. So this will become 1 plus cos theta. And this is equals to what? This is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Right. And also the formula for sin 2 theta. Okay, so this is what basically we know it. 2 sin theta, right, with the product of what cos theta. So half angle taking half angle here, so sin theta, this will become what, this will become 2 sin theta by 2 with the product of what cos of theta by 2. Right, now I have these two formulas here, this one and this one. Now what we have to do, we have to prove LHS equals to RHS. So what I'll do first, I'll start solving my LHS part here. So I can write what is my LHS part. It's given to me in the question. If I go to the top, cos phi, right, sorry, 1 plus cos phi. So 1 plus cos phi, right, plus of iota sin phi. Okay guys, here I have divide by what? Divide by 1 plus cos phi, right, minus of my iota sin phi. This was having the power of what whole n. Now I can write 1 plus cos phi as what? So 1 plus cos phi as can be done as what? This one, 2 cos square theta by 2. So in the terms of theta, this will become in terms of phi. So 2 cos square phi by 2, right, and plus of what I sin phi. Sin phi is what basically you guys can notice exactly 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 from this formula. So I can write this one as what I with the product of 2 sin phi by 2 cos of phi by 2. Okay guys, and here denominator part is what same, just there the difference of sign here. So this will become what, this is again 2 cos square phi by 2 minus of what, minus of I 2 sin phi by 2. Okay, and with the product of what cos phi by 2 here I have, and don't forget to write having the whole power of what n. Okay, now what I can do, I can take common, what I can take common in the numerator and denominator section, I can take 2 cos phi by 2 common. Okay, so if I take 2 cos phi by 2 common, so this will become what, this will become cos of phi by 2, right, plus of what iota sine of phi by 2, and divide by what, divide by again, if I take 2 cos phi by 2 common, here this is what I am having cos phi by 2 minus of my I sine phi by 2, and don't forget to take the whole power n. Now you guys can notice one thing, exactly this one and this one cancelling out, right guys? So we are receiving what, we are receiving the solution as what cos of phi by 2, okay, plus of what iota sine phi, okay, divide by what, divide by cos of phi by 2 minus of iota, also this is a sine phi by 2, right? So just let me correct it here. This is what sine phi by 2, and this is what again sine phi by 2 having the whole power of what, having the whole power as n. Now de Moivre's theorem, what de Moivre's theorem says that my d, just let me correct it here, basically my de Moivre's theorem says that e to the power I theta, what, e to the power I theta equals to what, this is basically equals to cos theta plus of what I sin theta. Also e to the power minus I theta is equals to what, basically cos theta minus of my I sin theta, right? This is what this theorem states. So from this theorem I can say that this part, okay, which one, this one, numerator section, this will become what, this will become cos phi by 2 plus I sin phi by 2. Same theorem here, but difference of what, angle, right? Angle is phi by 2, so I'll get the answer in terms of what, phi by 2. So this will become what, this will become e to the power I phi by 2, right, and divide by what, divide by e to the power minus of my I phi by 2, right, because this is a minus sign, and don't forget to write having whole power n here. Now if I put this part on the numerator side, which one, denominator part, so this will become what, this will become e to the power I, right, phi by 2 plus of what, I phi by 2. Why plus? Because this is a minus, and when it go to the numerator part this will become minus, so minus minus will become what, plus. Now having the power of what, n here. Okay, so after this will become what, this will become, okay, phi by 2 plus phi by 2 will what, phi, so this will become e to the power I phi having the power of what, n. Again using the Moivre's theorem on this left term here, also I can reduce it into this form, e to the power n phi first. Okay, now I can write this into De Moivre's theorem. What? In terms of e to the power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta, and here theta is what? N phi here we have. Okay, so guys, this will become what? This will become e to the power I n phi can be written as what? Cos of n phi. Okay, plus of what? Iota sine of my n phi. Now if I go to the top, what on the RHS part? Okay, now you guys can clearly see my RHS is what? Cos n phi plus I sin phi. So in that case, this is equals to what? RHS. We start solving the LHS part. So in the end, it comes to what? Equals to my RHS part. So I can say that LHS is finally equals to what? RHS, right? And I guess this is what we have to prove. We have to prove my LHS should be equals to what? RHS, right? So I can write here that hence proved.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.